Hello there. Meet your new intelligent assistant, designed to help you manage your StarLine vehicle security system. I'm StarLine-2, and I'm sure you're going to love me. I'm super user-friendly and intuitive, and I'm here to make your day-to-day interactions with your vehicle that much easier. I'm compatible with Android and iOS smartphones. You can use me with any StarLine vehicle security package that includes access to telematics services. Try me. Just download StarLine-2 to your smartphone and enter your login details. You'll find these on the plastic card that was given to you by your StarLine installer. Own an iPhone 5 or above? Then why not make use of the biometric Touch ID feature for convenience and an added layer of security? You'll be able to use your fingerprint to access the app instead of logging in with username and password. Own an iPhone 10 or above? Make use of an even more advanced Face ID feature for easy and secure access to your StarLine app. Now let's get personal. See the vehicle on the home screen. You can make it look just like your real-life car. Select the body type of your car, sedan, hatch, crossover, SUV, etc. and pick the colour. There are 9 to choose from. Ta-da! But make no mistake, I'm not just a pretty face. Looking beyond the interface, you'll find that I offer a variety of exciting features for your security and comfort. Let's take a closer look. Use widgets to manage your StarLine vehicle security system from the very home screen of your smartphone. Activate or deactivate security. Open or lock your car. Start or stop your car's engine remotely. Sound the horn, and more. Plus, you can do all of this using a voice assistant like Siri. Climate control to ensure that you get into a car that's already been preheated or pre-cooled for your comfort. Let me handle that for you. Is your car's battery about to discharge? What's your current SIM balance? What's the temperature of the vehicle's engine or inside the cabin? Real-time status updates and 24/7 access to relevant information, including detailed event histories, all at your fingertips. Want to configure or change remote start, sensor sensitivity, or any other system settings? You don't need to visit a technician. Nothing could be easier with StarLine-2. I can tie up to 4 phone numbers to a single unit, so several people can monitor or control the vehicle. Plus, you decide who gets to see and do that. Have you ever lost your vehicle at one of those massive car parks? That's not going to be an issue anymore. You can sound your car's horn on demand, plus see the car's exact location on a live map. And there's plenty more. Ever wanted to know how good a driver you are? StarLine will automatically evaluate and give feedback on your driving quality. By the way, this can also save you money on usage-based insurance. Also, you can monitor your fuel consumption, access mileage statistics, odometer readings, and even read error codes and service messages remotely. You can also keep things under control by setting individual geofences and tagging geozones, so whenever your vehicle enters or leaves one of those, you'll be notified at once. And believe me, there are a lot more features. Let me turn your car into a connected car. I have a lot in store for you, so what are you waiting for? Get exploring. Download StarLine-2. It's free. StarLine. Secured. Connected. Always in control.